In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block any website in Google Chrome on Windows 11 using a simple and free extension called BlockSite. This is a great method if you want to block distracting websites, limit access to social media, stop yourself from opening gaming sites, or just create a more focused browsing environment. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. Before we begin, make sure you have an active internet connection because we'll need access to the Chrome Web Store to install the extension. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can find all of the browser's settings and tools. From the menu, hover over extensions, then click Visit Chrome Web Store. If you prefer, you can also go directly to the Chrome Web Store by typing it into the address bar. Once the store opens, use the search bar at the top and type BlockSite, then press Enter. You should see BlockSite. Block websites and stay focused appear in the search results. Click on the BlockSite extension to open its details page. Here, you can review the extension name and basic information to make sure you're selecting the correct one. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will now show a permissions window asking for confirmation. This is normal because the extension needs access in order to block websites properly. Click Add Extension to continue. After that, Chrome will automatically download and install BlockSite. Give it a few moments to finish. Once the installation is complete, the extension will be available in your browser and ready to use. Now comes the important part. Open the website you want to block. This could be a social media site, a gaming website, an entertainment page, or any other web page that you want to avoid while working or studying. Next, look at the top right corner again and click the puzzle piece icon, which is your extensions menu. This will display all of the extensions you have installed in Chrome. Find BlockSite in the list and click it. The BlockSite pop-up window will open, and this is where you can manage the website blocking settings. If BlockSite asks you to accept permissions, click I accept so it can apply the necessary settings. Once that's done, look for the button that says block this site. Click it, and the website you are currently viewing will be added to your blocked list immediately. From that point on, Chrome will prevent access to that website whenever you try to visit it. And that's it. You've now learned how to block any website in Google Chrome on Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick for improving focus, avoiding distractions, and managing your browsing habits more effectively. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.